Okay, recording my one of last recordings of this week. The roughly 140k pack opening. Let's get into it. As you can see, the special packs are out. They are 125,000, but I'm not going for them because I don't have that much money. I will be lucky to make it a 140, 150k pack opening from all the things I get in the pack. Team of the week still remains the same old stuff. I gotta go and quickly check one thing. Right, no Eric Johnsons for buy now. This is bad news. But anyway, let's get right into the packs. I'll start off with 3 small packs. Yeah, we shall. Normally when the big packs are out, I always get good stuff in these packs and the gold packs. Should be good. Nothing. Plain old crappy pack. Just the usual. Oh, actually not. Never mind. It made almost all of it back. Just there. 2 more small packs. Then we get into the big ones. Right, it's gonna be Terra Hall. Who knows? You never know. We might get lucky and we get rammed. Okay, but I'm keeping this because I haven't got. Oh shit! Wow, what the hell is Bolesky doing? I've already got this guy, so keeping him. Trade pile. Wow, we're lucky enough to make like 330. It's almost all the pack gone. One more small pack. I believe if we pull an Eric Johnson, I'll go and complete my Colorado, and we can get more packs. But till we get him, I'm going to start sending these to my consumables pile because I feel it's going to be a long one. So, we're ready to get right into this. I'm not even going to look at this. I'm not even going to look. Not looking. What do we get? And 79 and 80. Oh, crappy. Okay. Oh, this Chuck Ronaldo. Wow, so many contracts. Might be useful. This pack went like nothing. Money wasted. Down the drain. Box down the drain. I'm gonna look at this one. Fingers crossed he pulled something. It's gotta be. Okay. And we pulled nothing. Pretty sure I don't have that team. Pretty sure I don't have them either. Don't have them. Don't have them. Don't have them. Don't have them. And don't have them. Okay. Again, a lot of stuff to send to the trade, to the consumables pile. And one contract. And 2,500 quick sell. Already 5 minutes gone in the video. Wow. 69,000 remaining. Oh. Money goes. Pucks go very fast. That's one thing for sure. Not looking at this pack, there's no way. And we pull. Oh, holy. Okay. Now that I can see this pack, we have got. Actually, I'm gonna keep it because I'm gonna be collecting this team soon. I'm gonna keep that. No. Yeah. 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 Alright. This is crappy. Not even one good pull. This pack opening might end up being the worst pack opening ever. We can roughly get 3 more, possibly 4 more packs if we're lucky. Come on, Cadrenator. Not looking that. Definitely not looking at this one. Yellow. And we get. Oh, Jordan Stahl, not bad. Okay. Yeah, I got that collection. So I'm sending him to a trip. I don't have. Collected it before. Wow. Besides Jordan Stahl, he's gonna be our best guy, I think, in this pack, but whole pack opening. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's gonna be it. Come on, Crosby, you gotta be in this pack. You gotta be in this pack. You gotta be here, like you. Come on, Carey Price, give me a Crosby. Crosby, Hut 5 Crosby. Has to be a specific Crosby right now. In the pack, right now. Fingers crossed, come on. Oh, it's not. It's a 91 overall Crosby right there. Oh man, this is not going good. Pull an 81 overall. Okay. It's very interesting. I get so many training cards. Got enough for, yeah, 1 more, possibly 2 or 3 more. Pause the video and I'll sell some stuff after this pack. See how much I can make. Come on, Stammer. Flippin' give us something good. Haven't seen one in a long time on the video, you know. So, be great. Okay, obviously not gonna happen. Keep risking. Pittsburgh. Wow. Wow, ton of contracts. I'll just pause the video and sell all the stuff that I've got. And then I'll be back if I can get more packs. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm back. 1 more pack. Let this be before my holiday, before I go to France on holidays. After that I'll be posting more videos, but for now this is the last pack for a week. And if I get 20 subs by that time, I'll do the Gabbard giveaway. It's still there, waiting. Alright, we ended on a bad foot. But, hey guys, like, comment, subscribe. What you guys want me to do, try and do it. And that's pretty much it for this pack opening for the week. I know it wasn't a good one, but at least it was something. So, see y'all guys later. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening, I should say.